Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. We have to find which one is greater, either this or this. So, first of all, here we write 3. We write power 120 is 4 multiplied by 30. And we write this as 4 power. We write 90 is 3 multiplied by 30. So, now here we write 3 power 4 whole power 30, and here we write 4 power 3 whole power 30. So now 3 power 4 is equals to 81. 3 power 4 means 81 power 30, and 4 power 3 means 64 power 30. So when powers are same, here now we see 81 power 30 and 64 power 30. So we see that 81 power 30 is greater than 64 power 30. So it means we said that 3 power 120 is greater than 4 power 19. 4 power 19. So this is our answer.